There's something timeless and utterly satisfying about combining craftsmanship with functionality. And wooden bottle holders and openers are the perfect example of that. These aren't just tools for holding or opening your favorite drink. They're miniature works of art that add character, charm, and elegance to any space. Whether it's your kitchen, home bar, dining area, or even a picnic setup, wooden bottle accessories bring in the warmth of natural textures and elevate the entire experience of enjoying a drink. Wooden bottle holders come in a wide array of styles and purposes, from simple tabletop wine cradles to intricate wall-mounted displays that can hold a collection of vintage reds. What makes these pieces so unique is how they blend visual appeal with practical design. Instead of hiding your bottles away in a cupboard or pantry, a well-crafted wooden holder turns them into part of your decor. Each bottle becomes a feature, an invitation, a story waiting to be poured and shared. Some wooden bottle holders are designed to balance a single bottle at a dramatic angle, almost like magic, demonstrating the precision and cleverness of design that only wood can pull off with such warmth. Others are more rustic, made from reclaimed or distressed wood that adds an aged, cozy feel to the space. These rustic styles look especially charming in farmhouse kitchens, cabin interiors, or spaces with an earthy or industrial theme. The grain of the wood, the knots, and even the imperfections all contribute to a sense of authenticity. For wine lovers, wooden racks are not just about storage but presentation. A vertical stack of wines held in a handcrafted frame can become the centerpiece of a room. In smaller homes or apartments, space-saving bottle holders made of wood provide a sleek, minimalist way to store your favorites without sacrificing style. Some even incorporate extra features, like built-in glass holders or drawer compartments for corkscrews, stoppers, and napkins, making them a compact yet complete bar solution. And it doesn't stop with wine. Wooden holders for beer bottles, soda bottles, or even olive oil and specialty sauces in the kitchen also bring this elegant aesthetic to the forefront. Think of a handcrafted six-pack carrier with a smooth finish, comfortable handle, and individual slots for each bottle. It's not just functional, it's a statement. It's a way of saying that even everyday moments deserve a touch of beauty. Now let's talk about wooden bottle openers. These are often overlooked, but can be one of the most satisfying objects in your kitchen or bar. There's something uniquely comforting about gripping a smooth wooden handle, feeling the solid weight in your hand, and hearing the crisp pop of a cap coming off. It transforms an ordinary action into a small, delightful ritual. Wall-mounted wooden openers, especially those with a built-in cap catcher, are both stylish and practical. They're popular in home bars, man caves, or outdoor kitchens because they combine rustic charm with convenience. Plus, they're often engraved or stamped with vintage logos, personalized messages, or creative graphics. Whether it's a humorous quote, a family name, or a nod to your favorite brewery, a wooden opener adds personality to your space. And let's not forget the craftsmanship behind these pieces. Many bottle openers are handmade, using local or reclaimed woods, shaped by skilled artisans who care deeply about the materials they're working with. You'll see a variety of finishes, natural oils, rich stains, and even painted or distressed effects, all designed to enhance the wood's beauty while also ensuring durability. When paired together, wooden holders and openers can create a cohesive, intentional look in your space. Imagine a matching set, a wooden wine rack and a handcrafted opener displayed together. Or a tabletop beer caddy with a built-in opener, ready to be passed around at a gathering. These pieces don't just serve a function, they help create an atmosphere. They encourage social moments. They make everyday rituals feel a bit more special. One of the wonderful things about wooden bottle accessories is how customizable they are. They can be made to fit any space, style, or purpose. Compact holders for countertops, wall racks for tiny kitchens, elegant floor-standing displays for dining rooms. Some come with leather straps, others with metal accents, and some rely on the simple beauty of clean lines and smooth sanding. If you're into DIY, wooden bottle holders and openers are fantastic beginner projects. With just a few pieces of wood, some tools, and a little creativity, you can build something unique and useful. You can tailor it to your needs, whether it's for wine storage, craft beer collections, or soda bottles in the kitchen. Adding personal touches like engravings or custom finishes makes the piece even more meaningful. And if you're thinking about gifts, wooden bottle accessories make excellent choices. They're perfect for housewarming presents, wedding gifts, Father's Day surprises, or holiday baskets. You can choose or commission a piece that reflects the recipient's style or favorite drink. Add a bottle or two, and you've got a thoughtful and memorable gift that lasts far beyond the moment it's opened. From sleek Scandinavian designs to rustic farmhouse pieces, the range of styles is vast. Minimalist forms highlight the beauty of the wood grain, while more intricate creations might feature curves, angles, or even inlaid details. And because wood is a renewable and biodegradable material, many wooden holders and openers are considered eco-friendly, especially those made from reclaimed or sustainably harvested timber. There's also a tactile pleasure to wooden accessories that can't be replicated. The way the grain feels under your fingers, the way it warms to the touch, the way the light hits a polished surface. It all contributes to an experience that's as much about feeling as it is about function. Unlike plastic or metal, wood feels alive. It brings nature into your hands, your kitchen, your celebrations. So whether you're furnishing a cozy home bar, looking to upgrade your kitchen accessories, or searching for the perfect handcrafted gift, wooden bottle holders and openers deliver both beauty and utility. They invite you to slow down, enjoy the moment, and celebrate the small rituals that make life rich. Because in the end, it's not just about holding or opening a bottle. It's not just about function, it's about feeling. It's about how that small, simple object fits seamlessly into your life, into your space, into your sense of style. It becomes a quiet companion during celebrations, a steady presence at intimate dinners, a tool that's more than just useful, it's meaningful. It's about lifting a glass surrounded by laughter and good company. It's about that familiar sound, the soft clink of glass, the crisp snap of a cap, the quiet fizz of something cold and refreshing. It's about the comfort of ritual, of coming home after a long day, reaching for a drink, and opening it with something that feels real in your hands. Something made from nature. Something shaped by hand. Something built with intention and meant to last. A wooden bottle holder or opener is not just a piece of wood. It carries with it the scent of the forest, the feel of the earth, and the soul of craftsmanship. It's warm to the touch, rich in texture, and unique in grain. No two exactly the same. It ages with grace, like a good memory, growing more beautiful with every use. It's a celebration of material honesty, where what you see is exactly what you get. And what you get is something special. Whether it rests on your bar cart, hangs proudly in your kitchen, or travels with you to gatherings and barbecues, a wooden bottle holder or opener doesn't just open bottles, it opens moments. It invites pause. It sparks conversation. It brings a touch of beauty to the small, often overlooked parts of life. It might be a handcrafted bottle opener mounted to a reclaimed wood plank, or a sleek, minimalist holder carved from rich walnut. Or maybe it's a rustic, well-worn piece passed down through hands and time. Each one tells a story of where it came from, who made it, and where it's been. And as it joins your home, it begins to tell your story too. That's the quiet magic of wooden bottle holders and openers. They turn the everyday into something extraordinary. They add warmth to your routines. They bring nature into your celebrations. And they remind you that even in the smallest details of your home, there is space for beauty, tradition, and care. So next time you reach for a bottle, think about the tool in your hand. Let it be more than metal and function. Let it be wood and soul. Let it be something that speaks not just to utility, but to a lifestyle that values craftsmanship, character, and lasting quality. Because the best moments in life aren't always grand or loud. Sometimes they're as simple as opening a bottle with something timeless made from wood and filled with meaning.